I love food, all kinds of food. I'm American, so for me, all kinds of food is just basically burgers and pizza. But what is it that makes a slice of pizza taste so much better than a head of broccoli? What is it that makes some foods so appetizing, but others not so much? And there's a serious practical implication to this question. What if we can make all foods tasty? What if there was some chemical we could isolate or some hormone that we can induce within ourselves that would cause us to find all foods appetizing? Parents would no longer have to deal with picky eating children, medicine could go down easier, and a simultaneously nutritious and edible diet would become available to the public because, as we all know, the healthier something is, the worse it tastes. This is not the first time the question has been asked. Scientists have been studying the way we taste since 350 BC, when Aristotle first postulated the basic concepts. However, it wasn't until the 20th century when two German scientists discovered the taste buds on your tongue that progress really moved along. Chemicals in food interact with the cell membrane receptors on your taste bud and cause gene expression for a certain protein, and this protein will translate to taste in your brain. For example, carbohydrates, a staple in our diet, will activate something called the G protein receptor, and this will cause the production of a protein that translates to sweetness in our brain. So now that we have a basic understanding of how we taste, can we learn to make all foods tasty? Well, actually, taste is caused by a whole bunch of different reactions, and it seems like an impossibly daunting task to try and remix all of these separate reactions. However, we can isolate just one taste: bitterness. Scientists have learned to make food less bitter by targeting the specific receptor which causes bitterness. In 2003, a biotech firm in New York discovered a series of chemicals, nucleotides to be specific, that would block the activation of these channels during food intake. So, theoretically, in the future, we could take a pill, along with our food, that would block the bitter taste but leave all other tastes intact. This opens up a whole new world for us. Medicine that was previously too bitter to be tasted can now be taken. Food packed with vitamins that was previously too bitter to eat may now become someone's favorite cuisine. Taste seemed to be an unfathomable domain before, like many other areas of science. But thanks to long years of research, we have learned to manipulate it and use it to our advantage. So let's all embrace what may be the future and make our lives just a little bit sweeter. Thank you.